أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
ووهبنا له إسحاق ويعقوب كلا هدينا ونوحا هدينا من قبل ومن ذريته داود وسليمان وأيوب ويوسف وموسى وهارون وكذلك نجزي المحسنين.
And we gave him Isaac and Jacob, each of them we guided, and we guided Noah previously, and from his descendants David, and Solomon, and Job, and Joseph, and Moses, and Aaron. Thus we reward the righteous.
وزكريا ويحيى وعيسى وإلياس كل من الصالحين.
And Zechariah, and John, and Jesus, and Elias, every one of them was of the upright.
وإسماعيل واليسع ويونس ولوطا وكلا فضلنا على العالمين.
And Ishmael, and Elijah, and Jonah, and Lot, we favored each one of them over all other people.
ومن آبائهم وذرياتهم وإخوانهم واجتبيناهم وهديناهم إلى صراط مستقيم.
And of their ancestors, and their descendants, and their siblings, we chose them, and guided them to a straight path.
ذلك هدى الله يهدي به من يشاء من عباده ولو أشركوا لحبط عنهم ما كانوا يعملون.
Such is Allah's guidance. He guides with it whomever He wills of His servants. Had they associated, their deeds would have gone in vain.
أولئك الذين آتيناهم الكتاب والحكم والنبوة فإن يكفر بها هؤلاء فقد وكلنا بها قوما ليسوا بها بكافرين.
Those are they to whom we gave the book, and wisdom, and prophethood. If these reject them, we have entrusted them to others who do not reject them.
أولئك الذين هدى الله فبهداه مقتده قل لا أسألكم عليه أجرا إن هو إلا ذكرى للعالمين.
Those are they whom Allah has guided, so follow their guidance. Say, I ask of you no compensation for it, it is just a reminder for all mankind.